What's going on, guys? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade. Welcome to another video of a hidden gem, and today our gem will be the company NSPT. Now the first thing that you see on the chart is what the hell is going on here. The stock went down to the low trips and then gapped up almost 200 or even more than 200% in one day with massive volume, continued its run, and then what the hell happened over here. We will go through all of that in this video, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps the channel a tons, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that we need to know about NSPT is it is a custodian play by SSM Monopoly. Now, just like most of the OTC stop sign stocks, this stock was going down due to the SEC deadline on September 28th and due to multiple brokers' deadlines as well. Now you can see right here that this is September 3rd. This was the TD Ameritrade deadline. That was the last day that people could buy the stock, and that's why we can see here just a little bit more volume than usual and a green day overall. And then a day later, there was very few brokers that could have traded that stock, and thus the huge drop of price. About 1.5 weeks later, the stock dropped the stop sign and the yield sign was up, and thus you can see here massive volume because multiple brokers could now trade that stock, and the stock gapped up 200% and continued its run for the next couple of weeks until this day. Now what happened here is that for an unknown reason someone sold about 1,000 shares at the price of 0007, which was very irregular because there were so many bids around the 0060 level. But sometimes these kind of things happen, and the good thing is that if you look at the chart, that sell at the 0007 closed the enormous gap that we had over here. So this is not a bad sign. I know it looks kind of weird, but this is not a reflection of the price action during that day. Now let's talk about some facts and see why this stock could be the next hidden gem. And as we go to their filings, the latest filing, the quarterly report, you can see that the company plans to acquire an operating company via reverse merger in 2021. The operating company and terms of transaction have not yet been determined. So if they have plans to acquire an operating company in 2021, that means that we got 2 months left before this operating company will merge into NSPT. More to that, you can see that the float of the company is 2.2 billion according to the latest filings. Also, there are no convertible debt and there are no toxic notes to that company. This is a clean shell, meaning that currently there is no dilution and there will be no reason to dilute the stock. So that's also a good news. And what I find very interesting is that all of the SSM Monopoly Custodian stocks are priced currently more than a penny, such as AAPT, AHFY, GMZP, MDCE, TNBI, USCS. All of those stocks are SSM Monopoly stocks, and regardless of their float, they are all above the penny mark, including AAPT, which is around the same float as NSPT, about the 2.2 billion. And after seeing the reverse merger that SSM Monopoly did with AAPT, it'll be very exciting to see what kind of reverse merger they will bring to NSPT. And lastly, the reason that the stock did not break the penny mark until now is due to the fact that they are still pink limited information. They still have the yield sign. They did not get the pink current information stamp from OTC markets, and that's for an unknown reason because they filed everything that needed to be filed. They have the attorney letter from September 17th, and right now it is just a waiting game. Once this company will get the pink sign, you can expect more updates from SSM Monopoly and you can expect more price action. That was it about NSPT and why it could be the next hidden gem. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure once again to drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos. And if you're not in our Simple Trade Discord community, go to the description and sign in right now.